Hi, my name is Luis Fernando, and this is my CS50x 2026 final project, the CS50 Study Tracker. This is a web application that helps studying track data in online courses. You can account, login, and start organizing your studies right away. I have a login. The app has simple registration and join system with secure password hashing, like we learned in CS50. And in dashboard, it's possible you can see your courses in progress or finished. I use this app to track my own and CS50x journey, and as you can see, I'm that on 100%. Whereas the CS50x 2026 course, all the weeks are completed, each with a score and submission linking and a description of what I learned. The progress bar show 100% from Strack in week 0 and the way to Flask in week 9. Each week has an edit button, so you can update the status score, notes, and submission URL at any time. It was one of the features I added because I needed it myself while using the app. In the My Course page, you can see all your courses in a table with deadlines, progress bars, and quick actions. You can add as many courses as you want, not just the CS50. This project was built with Flask, Python, SQLite, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 5. Everything I learned during the CS50x. The idea comes from my own experience. I need a tool to track my progress, so built one. Thank you for watching, and thank you CS50.